Welcome to our video on how to make the 77 sleeveless vest. It is cozy and cute, but we know that the construction can feel a bit daunting if you want that seamless look. We start this video at the point where you've sewn the darts in your main and lining fabric, as well as the shoulder seams of both lining and main fabric. Place the lining piece right sides together on the main fabric pieces. Pin everything to keep the shapes. Pin a ribbon loop, fold it into a loop of about 5 centimeters at the mark spot. Now mark your back slit and baste this line. Here we are catching the loop of ribbon already while basting to make sure this will be sewn on securely. Stitch along the slit half a centimeter wide on each side and sew the neckline in one step. Be sure to catch the loop in the seam. Cut into the slit along the marking and cut diagonally into the corners at the end of the slit to form a small triangle. Clip the curve with about 2 centimeters between each cut. At seam number 1, trim the corners diagonally on both sides. Now comes the fun part of attaching the lining to your main piece. It will directly sewn along the armholes. The side seams will be done separately. However, let's start with the first armhole. Turn your whole garment inside out once to clip the armholes together, left side to left side. This is only for you not to be confused which parts belong together. You'll now remove the clips from one side, turn the right sides together, and clip one armhole of the front together. Continue with the back part in the same manner. Sew along this line. Be careful. You can't do this in one continuous motion, but we'll do the back part and then do the front part. This is what the first seam line looks like. Now turn and continue with the front part of your armhole. Sew. You now have completed one armhole. Continue doing the same thing on the other side. Finished with the second armhole. Press gently using steam. If you find your fur to be caught in the seam, you can use a needle to roughen it up and pull the fur to the outside. Now we will do the side seams. First, place only the main fabric right side to right side together and sew along the side seams. Now turn your garment inside out and place the lining pieces right sides together. Sew side seams. Iron seam allowances apart. Now comes a very important part. In your second side seam, leave an opening of about 10 centimeters. This will be your turning hole you'll need to finish the hem. Iron seam allowances apart. Almost finished. We will now tackle the hem. For this, you'll continue working on the inside. You'll use your hole in the lining side seam to pull the whole garment through and place the hem right sides together. Pin and sew around the whole hem. You can now pull the whole garment through that hole again, and the hem is finished neat and tidy. Only thing to do is to invisibly close that hole in your side seam by hand. Thanks so much for following along. We hope this video helped you through the construction of our cozy vest. Check out our other tutorial videos and all patterns on sistermagpatterns.com. Don't forget to subscribe.